So we want to collect just the things that we want to put in our video, at least to get started with. It'll help us as well with what we want to put on our My Favorite Things webpage. To do this, we're going to make a subfolder here under My Favorite Things. Let's click on the New Folder button, and we'll call it My Favorite Assets. Assets are things that we can use for our video. Now you can see here that I've got my images, since I'm sorting by name, all in a row here. That's because I put my X's in front of the names. If yours are still all mixed together, then use the Control-Click method to select the ones that you are going to take with you to your new project. So I've Control-Clicked on my 9 images. It's also possible, if you're in this area right here, to draw a rectangle that selects your files, and then you could Control-Click on the ones that you're not going to use. My 6A, 3A, 9A, these are my dislikes. If I have time, then I can come back and get these. I'm also going to take my 4 titles. So I'm Control-Clicking on each of those 4 PNG titles. And these are all my extras. I have a bunch of different versions of my Photoshop file. We're not going to take our Word document. We can't use that in the video. So we are going to then copy all of these. And then when we go into our subfolder, click on the little expand arrow there and go to My Favorite Assets. We can Control-V and paste our 9 images, 12 if you have them, and then your 4 categories here. So have that, and we're going to, when we make our new video project folder, we'll move this over to that one.